so that ends my tea. आपका नाम क्या है? Super fluffy and super nice. Hey guys, so currently on the way to Islamabad Market and Burns Road to check out some serious Karachi food after spending quite a few days at the beach and just kind of relaxing and whatnot for the holidays. So let's get into some real city scenes here now. Get ready, let's go. Hello guys, so coming to you live from Burns Road Food Street. It's very busy here, very chaotic. Starting out the day with some ice cream, which is just kind of a random choice because it's like the first that I saw. We had been thinking that this Biryani place that I had heard about existed here, but it's actually like not here, and it's like 30 minutes away. So we're just going to stick here for now for today's food tour. So alright, gonna get started with some ice cream. Let's see how this goes. As for the shopping, as you can see, I got a job here. Oh, the ice cream has arrived. Check it out. It's very big. Let's see. Very nice. Good way to try it out. Good way to start out, excuse me. So yeah, the shopping was kind of like mixy because it's very difficult to shop when you're like very obviously a foreigner. I did get this dupata, but anything else like very expensive. What manga hai? So I guess it's just time for some food. Okay, hey guys, so we're sitting, there's some of the places that are still closed, but now we have found Waleed Nihari house, which is famous for its Nihari. It's busy, there's a lot of people here. That's always a good sign. That's always a good sign that, you know, we've come to a good place. So we're gonna try out some of the Nihari, gonna see what's up with it, and then hopefully some of the other places will be open because I heard there's some specific items I really want to try here. So let's see. Nihari aari hai. Okay guys, so the toppings have arrived. We have some jalapenos, lemons, ginger, onion, and this kind of paste mixture. And this is all for inputting into the nihari. We've also ordered a fry kebab, which is supposed to be famous here. So let's see. Okay guys, so I'm gonna begin trying this nihari. The naan is super fluffy and super nice. Really miss fluffy naan, honestly. So, alright, let's go. Here's the nihari. Let's get real into it. Let's see, did I even get it? Okay. Wow. Straight up fat. I love it. I just realized that I didn't even put any of the toppings in yet, but it's very good plain. Yeah. Zabardast. It's really good. Really good nihari. Really enjoying. Okay guys, so this is the fry kebab. I was actually expecting that it would actually be like in a kebab shape, but I guess that's the whole point of like it being a fried kebab. Like it's like fried. So let's test this out as well. Okay, so now let's get into the fried kebab. I've never seen this before, not in Lahore, nowhere, so let's see. Here it is. It kind of just looks like keema, honestly, so let's see. It's very interesting. It's very like, it's gooey, it's kind of thick. It kind of tastes like maybe there's some flour involved or something. It's very nice, not too spicy, like, very good. Very interesting. Now let's move back into the nihari, guys. All fat, right here. My favorite type of meat is meat that involves fat, so. Zabardast. Really good job, Waleed Kebab House. First Burns Road food stop. The ice cream doesn't really count. Okay guys, you just have to see like how this nihari like literally comes off the bone. Like just look at it, like it just melts. Ah, it's amazing. really high quality. It's very obvious why this place has been open since 1961. But what makes this fry kebab so special, guys, is the fact that it literally is made out of butter. It's just a regular kebab. It's like, you know, fried and then butter, fried in butter. So. Okay guys, so just finished up at this really great Nihari and fry kebab place. Now I'm gonna go check out some of the other scenes here at Burns Road.
No problem. Babu bhai.
Kitne song?
190 cents one in 90 Kara single.
Kulfi, matcha type place. These are the matcha. Here are the different flavors. Nice. Okay. Okay guys, so here we are at the Dil Shah Matka house, and matka is these little like clay bowl type things, which is really cool. I literally haven't seen one, and I think the last time I saw one was like in Delhi or something many years ago. So it's basically kulfi. I got the sada, which is like a plain version for now, and it's very thick, it's very creamy looking. So let's get into it. Y'all. It's really good. It's basically like a kulfi stick in a matka. Therefore, Dil Shah Matka. Guys, so continuing on with this food tour of Karachi. So now we are in Islamabad, which is quite far from Burns Road. It's nowhere near at all. We are here at Ghousia Nalli Biryani, which is said to be one of the best biryanis in Karachi because it has biryani made out of bone marrow. So I'm about to test this out. I'm very excited. I've never in my life seen anything like this in Pakistan or anywhere else. So let's get ready to try bone marrow biryani. Yay.
Check it out.
This one narrow, original Ghousia Nalli biryani, top of all biryani, Pakistan Zindabad.
Ghousia. A1 Ghousia.
Ghousia.
Ghousia Nalli biryani. Pop biryani. Pop. Ghousia Nalli biryani. Pop. Pop biryani. Yeah, Ghousia biryani.
Hey guys, so as you can see, the biryani has arrived, and you can see Ghousia Nalli Biryani. This is a very special place in Karachi, and here is the bone marrow biryani, and this is the bone that we're going to suck the marrow out of. I'm very excited to try this. Oh, and we have another plate as well. You can see the steam coming off of it. It's freshly made, freshly prepared. So now here's the
Ghousia Nalli biryani. Pop of all biryani. Only fresh Nalli, only fresh meat. Ghousia Nalli biryani.
The bone marrow is coming out, guys. This is straight up bone marrow. I'm very excited. Yes. Thank you.
No fat, no oil. Only fresh.
Only fresh, no oil. Fresh biryani, fresh nalia. Okay, let's get into it. Okay guys, so now it's time to try the biryani. As you can see, this is literally all bone marrow, so let's see. I'm very excited. Wow. Zabardast. Zabardast. It's very good. Perfect. Oh, I love this type of stuff. So it's very good.
Thank you.
Bahut shukriya.
Thank you.
Zabardast. Really good, guys. Very good.
Let us eat. We want.
Okay, so guys, we literally came 1 hour to this restaurant, and it is so worth it. I've never in my life encountered biryani like this or anything even similar. There are big pieces of bone marrow in the rice, and then the meat is just you're in Karachi, you cannot say that you have tried biryani if you have not come here. You just have to. Like, this is not an ad. This is not sponsored. I just showed up. Y'all, it's totally worth it. It's worth the drive. No matter where you are staying, it is very much worth the drive. I also have to mention that this place is really like has had some unbelievable, amazing hospitality. Bacha ke owner hai. Oh, okay. Yeah, bacha ke owner hai. And they have given us some kheer, which is really nice. I love kheer. So really nice owners as well. Nice family, nice hospitality, and it's been open for more than 40 years. So it's been around for a while.
Biryani mere bhai. मैडम को खाना बिरयानी निकालते हैं। Oh shit! Ghousia!
Yes, great. The biryani now. Up, upar. Okay.
Ghousia!
Ghousia! Ghousia!
Yeah, Ghousia!
Ma'am Samantha.
Ghousia!
Hey guys, so to continue the Karachi food tour, we are now here at Nursery Super Burger. I've heard about this place. It's like a low-key burger shop. It's not like a fancy one or anything, and it's kind of like a street food burger place. So I'm very excited to try it because it actually has beef burgers where many places just have chicken. So let's see what the tea is here at Nursery Super Burger. They're also famous for their beef bun kebabs and their chapli kebabs, so let's get into it now. So far I've been super impressed with all the food I've tried on this food tour, but now we're gonna try this one too. It looks very nice. Like, it's super cool that this is like from a street food type place. Like, love that type of scene. So now, yeah, for 200 rupees you could get the burger and then fries. Most of them are eaten at this moment, but yeah, basically. And then for like 70 to 80 you can get a chapli bun kebab, which is kind of like a traditional mix between a bun kebab and Peshawari chapli kebab. So lots of options here. I just love like the variety of street food here. Like, it's not just like literally there could be halwa puri, there could be biryani, anything, and then even burgers like made really well, and also street food scenes and prices. Like, I love that. I absolutely love that. That's really top for me. So, right, so now we have tried some delicious fry kebab in Burns Market. We tried some matka. What else? The unbelievable Ghousia Nalli biryani, and some bun. We did get into a bit of bun kebab, like real traditional, and now tried this super popular burger place. So next up is going to be more of a seafood vibe. So guess where we're gonna be going? Let's find out. I'm super excited about this because it's like a very weird and random item that I've never heard of. So excited. Yeah. So the food tour is continuing. We are here at Mazaidar Haleem in Hunza. It's a very famous Haleem spot. So far I've not tried any Haleem, so I mean I've tried Haleem in the past, but not in Karachi. So let's get into some nice and good Haleem. So you can get into your typical Haleem toppings. We have lemon, we have dania, which mujhe dania bahut nazrat hai. Here we have some nice onions that seem to be like fried, and ginger. These are the Haleem toppings. Oh wow, wow! I can see where this is famous for these guys. Alright, let me put the toppings in. Let's see. Sorry. Okay guys, so now let's put in some of the toppings. Like, I'm not really like that into toppings, but here we go. Ginger, we can put in some ginger, let's see, onion, lemon. I always feel like kind of like unsure about lemons. By the way, lemons in Pakistan are super choti guys. Let's do, oh, the Haleem is like, the Haleem is super thick and it's like very, sorry about that, it's very like creamy, but it's like stringy as well. Alright, let's get into this. The naan, yes. It's really good. The famous street food places in Karachi are not fucking around, y'all. So guys, yeah, so Haleem is basically like it's like a stew type thing. Has various different like, things in it. It can have chicken, it can have beef, meat, lentils, lots of different things. And this Haleem is like honestly it kind of has a texture of like peanut butter, but it's super good. Let's get into let's get these onions involved. Okay, let's see. Really good. And not too spicy. So aside from the specialty of Rabri, there's also all types of ice cream here as well. Pista, crunch. Oh, I love like these types of like big, like super done up desserts. So, alright, we're still here trying to, now just gonna get the Rabri. This is a nice faluda thing. So, I love ice cream, I love desserts, so I'm very excited to get into these. Okay guys, so here's some Rabri, which is a famous dessert in the subcontinent, and then here's faluda, another famous subcontinental dessert. The Delhi Rabri House has been open since 1964, so I don't think I've ever tried Rabri in Pakistan. I might have tried it in India, but I don't really remember. So, okay, but this is another like famous place here at the Burnsville market. So. Y'all, oh wow, it is super meaty. बहुत ज़्यादा meaty hai. For me, I like it. It's really good. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna try the faluda. Faluda is very common in Pakistan, India, specifically Pakistan. And it's basically like noodles in a milkshake. Like it's a super noodly milkshake, so it's quite interesting. And then we have some ice cream as well, with some, these are, I want to say these are almonds. Let's try. Maybe pistachio. Oh wow. Pistachio ice cream. Pretty good. Can't say that I've really tried it before. No. Hey guys, so now we've come all the way back to the Islamabad to try another really iconic and a bit of a rare Karachi street food item. Well, not really street food, but so this is an old restaurant and it serves MashaAllah Katakat. And Katakat comes from the word katna, which in Urdu means like to cut. So, so yeah, it basically is like super chopped, super cut up fish, and even though Karachi is right by the sea, I haven't really had like that many fish items since coming here, so quite excited. Let's give it a try. This place has been operating for over 40 years. It's in a very like old and very lively, very lively part of Karachi. So very excited to give it a try. Let's see. Okay, so Karakat is here, guys. Some roti here. This place is also called MashaAllah Katakat, so let's try it. Let's try the Karakat, and as I already showed, it's basically like a bunch of cut up fish with some onions and unfortunately some dhania. Like, sorry Pakistani friends, I really hate dhania. I tried to like it, but it's not working out. But anyways, so let's get into the Karakat here. Mashli, it's very good. Really nice, guys. Oh my god, it's really good. I haven't had this type of fish. It's kind of like a fried fish, so I haven't had it in quite a while. So, yeah, wow. Very good. So far, it tastes pretty fresh as well. I don't know if you can see it. Here's the product. So guys, after 9 months in Pakistan, I definitely could say that I am quite good at the whole roti. And I'm quite good at the eating with the hands. Proudly. So also this place has absolutely amazing chapati. It's like the type of chapati you would get from like a tawa chicken place, and honestly it's quite similar to tawa, but it's like karakat and mashli. But anyways, so here are some of the spices. Not really that quite big of a fan of spices, but maybe I'll give it a try. But really guys, I love fish, I love seafood. Mujhe machli bahut pasand hai, so you should definitely come here. Like, it's totally worth making it out here, and it is kind of far. And in fact, like, I have another segment of this video is also like Katakat, but it's actually like not even on the same day. So I really came all the way back here, which was like 35-40 minutes twice. So it's totally worth it. Like, to have seafood cheaply, freshly, amazingly like this is unmatched. Here we have how the fish is being made. Here we have we have some dhania, piyaz, here's the amazing machli, here's the chef, and everyone. So once again, this is the MashaAllah Katakat place in the Katakat. नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है? Guys, so that's the end of this awesome Karachi food video. Be sure to catch me next week with another vlog, and you never know where we're going to go. So subscribe, like,